Hi stylers, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I am Renee. I share all things home related. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some Mother's Day gift ideas that you can purchase for your mother if you're just trying to get something unusual for her. I'm sure your mother would love anything that is personalized. It could be a jewelry with her initial or her name or her birth sign or her birthstone. It can be a photo book. It can be a mug that is custom made with her name or her initial or a favorite quote of hers. It can be any item. It can be a shirt. It can be a cushion. It can be a towel. So anything that is personalized, you can purchase that for your mother, and I'm sure she will love that. Another thing that you can purchase for her is a gift card to go to the spa. Your mother, I'm sure she works hard and wants to relax and get some pampering and some nice massage. It can include some manicure, pedicure, just a relaxed moment where she can listen to some soft music while she getting massage. Purchase her a gift card to the spa, and I'm sure she would love that as well. Another item that you can purchase for your mother is like a cookbook, recipe book, something with some baking recipe, and that can also include with some utensils like baking trays, anything that you think she'll love if she's a person that loves inside the kitchen. It can also mean that you purchase one of those cutting board with her name engraved on it, with her initials engraved on it. So anything like that can be a great gift for your mother. So something that she'll love, that she'll cherish, you can always purchase for her that is in the kitchen. You can't go wrong with her favorite bouquet of flowers or a plant in a plant pot that is so unique and nice that she would love. She can have it inside her home or outside. One of those plants that works inside. It can be a favorite bouquet of flowers or roses, something that she loves. You can't go wrong with flowers for the mothers if they love flowers. So think about a nice bouquet. If you arrange it, she would even love it more. So if you buy the florals and you arrange them and put it in a nice vase, I'm sure she would love that. I'm sure your mother would love a subscription to her favorite magazine or streaming sites, a book club. Any mother would love something like that. So if you purchase something that you know she would love, one of those book club with her favorite set of books or a streaming site that she would love, purchase that for her. I'm sure she would be grateful for it. And these are some unusual gifts because you don't really want to buy the same perfume and the blend and those stuff that she have already. You want to purchase stuff that she can use daily and remember that you purchased it for her. A cozy blanket or pillow to make her lounging more comfortable in the nights or day would be a great gift for her. So you can purchase a nice cushion, a throw blanket. You can get her initials on it as well, since I mentioned personalized items. I'm sure she would love that. The summer is coming up as well, so if you can buy her anything that will keep her cool, if you're in an area that is very hot and so, I'm sure she would appreciate it. If you're still experiencing cold climate, the throw blanket and the pillow will work as well. So any one of those items will work great for her as a gift. I'm sure she would love any of those. Most of my gift ideas always include a nice scented candle or some essential oils. Any person would love a candle. You can't go wrong with good smelling candles. And also with the candle, if you purchase one of those electric rechargeable lighters with it, that would be a perfect combination of a gift for her. So think about candle that is scented, and also if you can get those candles that are personalized as well, where you can get certain stuff on it printed specifically for her, that would be an extra bonus as well. So get those stuff, put it together, and that would create a great basket or a mini gift for her. So you can buy those little bath bombs as well and create a little basket for her with that candle. Mommy would love that. I mentioned cookbook and recipe book and baking utensils before, but kitchen gadgets such as your egg maker, your pancake maker, any kitchen appliances that you think she would need that would make her life easier, I'm sure she would love that. So think about those kitchen appliances. If she don't have an air fryer, get her one. That is one gift I would recommend that you get for her, because I have a hair fryer, and also that comes in very handy, especially when I come home from work in those late nights and you just want to throw something in it without having to be around a stove or waiting hours. try to get an air fryer for her. And also with the air fryer, you can get a recipe book for her. There are so many recipes out there that you can use in the air fryer, so that would be a great gift as well. Another gift that you can purchase for your mother is a stylish piece of clothing or accessory. That can be scarf, it can be a purse, it can be anything. If a belt, if she's a person that loves those stuff, or if she's a person that loves jewelry, you can buy those nice necklaces or earrings. That would be a great gift that you can purchase for her. There are some mothers that really love these stuff, so give them what they love and what they will use very often. You don't want to buy something for your mommy that she won't use. It just makes sense to buy something that she would cherish and use, and just to remember that you gave it to her. Another thing that you can do for her is a handwritten letter or a poem or just something that comes from the art. You can always print it out and frame it. Wow, that would be an awesome gift for her. Just tell her how you love her and how you feel in that little poem or letter. Mommy will appreciate that, and that will be something that she keeps with her, and she'll always remember you for that. And these are not only for your mother, but these are great gifts for women in your life that are mothers. So it can be a wife, it can be a sister that is a mother, it can be an auntie, it can be any mother. So it doesn't tie to your mother. A nice art piece would be a great gift as well that you can purchase for her, because these are things that she will hang in her house, and she will always remember you every time she look at that wall art or wall piece. So try to get something that ties in with her home decor as well, and something that she can always look at. Another gift item that you can purchase for your mother is a diffuser. Since I mentioned candle and essential oils in the beginning, your mother would love a nice diffuser. They have some with those changing lights, they have some with those fake flame. Those are some beautiful diffuser that you can purchase for her. I'm sure she would love one of those nice diffusers. And also try to get different flavors, essential oil. You have tangerine, you have eucalyptus, you have tea tree, you have lavender. There are many different types of essential oils that you can purchase. Another item that you can purchase for your mother is any furniture piece that you think that would upgrade her space, or any home decor item that you think that she would love. These are items that would help to make her space beautiful, and also she will remember you every time she look at them. Thank you for watching this video. If you love this video, you will love the next video here on screen. So see you on this video.